Hi guys, Battlbox mission 82 sent here to the channel by Battlbox. We definitely appreciate that. There's links down there. I'm going to show you what's in the box. I'm going to show you, detail by detail and or item by item. Usually that's what I do every month. So again, this is going to be mission 82. I'm running a little bit behind because, it is what it is. Lately I've been busy. But again, mission 82. I'm going to have to get my old man's glasses right here because yes, I do have an appointment for the eye doctor, and I'm gonna get real glasses pretty soon. If that's something that you are concerned about. So far, this is like a dollar store, 80 cents set of glasses kind of thing. So again, mission 82 has a couple different things. I'm gonna go side by side. It has a couple different things that I actually enjoy. Like it has a radio, which is pretty fantastic. I have used that in the past, and it has a big knife. I say again, a big knife. So again, let me go to the different items, and I'm just gonna show it to you guys. All right, so here we got the basic box. The first thing is gonna be this squirrel nut butter, and man, I don't even know what is this. Original blade, something for anti-shave, which is actually very good. I gotta look at this because since I gain a bunch of weight, shaving is like not good. So again, this is gonna be the first thing right here. This is valued about $16. Okay, we have some medical items right here. This is gonna run for about $19.99. You have a gouge right here, obviously for bleeding and things like that. You see it right there, very small. You could put it anywhere. You could put it in a pack or something like that. You have this thing to take care your skin, super skin bleed. Again, really, really cool. Again, all this is going to be about $19.99. And then you have a little book with first aid and survival. It's the Stay Alive Guide. And I'm going to open it up just so you guys can see it. Some good information here as well. And lastly, we're going to have a book. And this book is going to be about $22. The book says the outdoor life, the ultimate self-sufficient manual. You have something to grow, you have build, you have farm, you have survival. And if I bring it right here, you see some of the details. Again, this book looks pretty good actually. Like the material itself is really decent. It's just a really decent book. Just I'm talking about the material itself. So again, you have some information in here, and obviously it's going to be regarding self-protection and things like that. Like here it says 28, reinforce your home. And again, it gives you some tips and things like that. Let me show you right here. So not bad. You could learn a lot of different things, really a lot of different things. So again, if you want to educate yourself, I do like that. Okay, next we have this. This is a 72-hour kit. Again, you're gonna have this, and obviously 72-hour kit. Let's see what it has. It has just add water, 32 servings, made in the United States, up to 25 years of life shell. This is fantastic. This is really fantastic. Always ready. And again, this is something that now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my kit right here because again, you never know when you're gonna need this, right? Okay, next we're gonna have this radio right here. This is gonna be in the Pro box, and this is gonna be the Eton FRX3 multi-weather radio. And again, just really cool. You guys gotta see this. You actually have a USB where you could charge a phone as well. And let me tell you, I have used this in the past, really have, and has been very, very beneficial. Getting information is critical, and when you have a radio like this that you can get some information, to me is really good. Now there's a million of them. Just make sure you get one of them. I'm gonna tell you, get one of this during emergency. It could potentially give you critical information that you need. So again, this is gonna run for about $60, and again, very, very cool. Okay, lastly, we're gonna have the Pro Plus box, and it's gonna be a Fox H knife. I think it's called Anunnaki or something folder, and I'm gonna tell you, this thing is a beast. And if I open it up over here, there's nothing here because obviously it's right here. And look at this thing. This thing is huge. Wow. I'm telling you, this thing is freaking awesome. And I'm going to give you a closer look. You have some jimping in here. You also have some jimping in here as well. If you could see the design of the blade, really, really good. Ergonomically, it feels good. Like when you hold it, it feels actually very, very good. And look at that. So again, a knife that you could do so much different things. Let me show it right here from this side. And again, just a really cool knife. Here's a sheath that it comes with. And you can attach this to anything. It has a molly right here, so you can attach it to a backpack or something like that. Obviously, then you could close it like this, and you could kind of carry the knife like that. Again, this is not your everyday carry kind of knife. As you can see, it doesn't have a clip or anything like that. This is just a massive folding knife that you could put on a backpack or something. Again, if you need something big, you could grab something like that. It has actually a safety. I think this is safety right here. If you push it back, still not closing, but if you push it back and you push here, then you could close the knife, right? So again, the safety is right here, and then this right here would allow you to lock the knife, and this is how it looks right here. One last thing, the blade is D2 and this is G10 scales. Again, just really cool knife. I'm gonna give you one last look right here. All right, guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.